Today is an absolutely massive day for Star Wars fans, as we get the revelation now that one of my personal favorite ancient Sith Lords just became canon, at least by name. With that said, there will be minor spoilers in this video for The Rise of Skywalker, again minor, and it won't really ruin the movie if you stay. I just wanted to give that little bumper. Anyway, in The Rise of Skywalker, we encounter the Sith Troopers. The visual guide for The Rise of Skywalker says this: in its ultimate push towards galactic conquest, the First Order readies an army of elite soldiers who draw inspiration and power from a dark and ancient legacy. Though they bear the name of the revived sect of the dark side, Sith troopers are not imbued with the power of the Force. Instead, their red armor evokes an aura of dread and spilled blood of Sith lightsaber blades and of the Imperial elite of old. These fighting forces have been cultivated in secret, their existence unknown even to the most powerful within the First Order. They are the culmination of an elaborate contingency meant to ensure the preparatorial reign of a Sith empire, returning the galaxy to the glory of 1,000 years past. What is even more significant about the Sith Troopers is this: Sith Troopers are organized into legions using the ancient definition of 5,000 soldiers. These are numerical identified, but are also given the name of an ancient Sith Lord, as this history was hidden from the rest of the galaxy. Only the Sith Eternal cultists know the significance of these names. In very simple terms, each squadron of Sith troopers was given a name of an ancient Sith Lord that represented 5,000 soldiers among their ranks. One of their names was Revan. One squadron of Sith troopers was named the 3rd Revan Legion. Revan has been a Sith Lord that has not been canonized up until this point, as he did have a deleted scene from Star Wars The Clone Wars, but this was ultimately cut. Now though, we know that Revan did exist in the Star Wars canon universe, along with the few other Sith Lords that I will detail in another video. This is an absolutely massive revelation, and I do believe that Revan, now that he is officially canon, will have appearances later down the line. Anyway guys, I just wanted to make this really short video explaining the absolutely phenomenal news. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. We have far more to break down for The Rise of Skywalker in the coming days. May the Force be with you, and have a great day.